What's up friends, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Canva account to Claude. Once you're inside Claude, all you have to do is click your account on the lower left hand side, go to settings and go down to where you have connectors on the left hand side. Now from here you'll see browse connectors is only showing one right here, but if you click on browse you'll be able to find quite a lot here, right? So you can scroll down and you can find, for example, the Canva here. You can click in that, and once you click in it, you will see though that you need to actually have a upgraded account. And so once you upgrade your account, you'll be able to really to connect Canva to it, right? And it basically gives you some information on what you'll be able to do once you connect Canva to Claude. So all you have to do, guys, is just simply click and upgrade your account. And once you upgrade your account, it recommends that you really have, for example, at least a pro version to be able to use most of these features here. And once you do that, you'll be able to basically use the different applications there that you have. So you need to at least to have the pro version to be able to connect all of those apps and kind of use them together with Claude AI. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.